Hello my fun pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Karma Design, and today I'm going to do my plan with me for my vertical planner which I use for health and wellness. Now I did pre-plan to do Women's Equality Day because I thought there were stickers in the Mega Holiday book. Sticker in the Mega Holiday book. So what I thought today would be a good way to show you, and that's on the 26th, be a good way to show you how I use all of these odd stickers, because like I have this sticker, it needs to go with other stuff, right? So I'm like, okay, I have this and it's this weird purpley plum color, and I was like, okay, what does that go with? And I thought of these two, Socialite and Girl Power. I'm not sure I'll be using both, but this definitely has that color look. Don't know where it will be, but it'll be in here somewhere. But I thought this could be our accent color, and Girl Power makes sense. Makes sense. I like that. Girl should, don't take the first thing you see. Do not take, see that is the same color. That is the same color. So yeah, we've got the same color going on here. So I need workout boxes. I need boxes for, because I've used that color. I need some kind of bullet or box for facial stuff. I need habit trackers. There's habit trackers in here. I know that for sure. But that is what, see, yeah, we've got this. So maybe we'll bring in this color. I could cut that. I could cut that. I could use that one. I'm going to use that one. It makes sense. Girls can. Turn the book around and do it that way, because I want to be able to still use that as a box. Oh, that might be a bit optimistic. That might be optimistic. Maybe it just comes in somewhere else. Maybe it comes in like down here or something. Yeah. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. We're going to go with that color, this minty color, and the purpley color. The purpley color. I could use those. That can be for that one. And then whatever color we go for over here, it actually probably needs to be purple again, which is annoying. But here we are. Okay. That can be for there. Do I want boxes? And if I do, where the hell am I going to get workout boxes from that are going to match this? I could use gold. Nope. Nope, nope. I haven't got gold in here. Don't use gold. Oh, I've got these. Those would be perfect for foods. Do I just want to do it that way? I think we're going to bring in another color, and I don't know what that is yet. That goes there. That one goes there. I'm just going to do these in the order, and then I know that they're there. And then whatever other color we bring in, that will go with those. Yes. The reason that I'm saying that is I don't know how much I'm going to use it. I said this in my other plan with me. I don't know how much I'm going to use my planners this week. So we could, if I wanted to, put more decorative boxes in. I feel like I'm not there for some reason. That can go there. And then we put another one in down here in the other color that we are using. That is some kind. Girls support girls. I kind of like girls support girls. That's in the pink. Girls support girls. Or, I'm still attracted to this one as well. That will bring in the yellow and the pink. Habit tracker. Habit tracker. Habit tracker. None of those feel right. Habit tracker. habit tracker, habit tracker. Have I got any blue in there? Oh, I do have blue. Then I could use this, is what I'm thinking. Let me just see if I want to use that. And then we use blue as the other colour. I just feel that's a bit... I have to use this colour. Why is this so hard? Where the heck did the bullets go? I do have blue. And I have both blues. Oh, I think it'd be fine if I did that. I do feel like I want another thing in between. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. We're doing that. Okay, we're good. All right, let's do it. I've gone from I don't know what I'm doing to let's do all the things. Put those down. Let's do all of the things. So yeah, I don't know how much I'm going to be able to use my planners this week, but I will fill them with something, whether it is more stickers or stuff in general. I will fill them. I will fill them because that is what I do. I fills my planners. Wow, this went from I don't know what I'm doing to put all of the stickers down at once immediately. Come here. I'm going to leave myself space in case I'm not... Should I put washi in? I'm going to leave that for a sec. This was the sticker that started it all. The sticker that started it all. And that might be something that I want to replicate. Is that, you know, that. Yes, I think we're going to do that. Do I have enough of these to do this? The problem is then, do I do them down here? I could do them. Sorry, I'm thinking out loud right now. Because I put that one in there, I can't do the row of boxes there. Which is what I like to do. And here we are, moving stickers around again. I'm just going to see if I want to do this, which would give me not enough boxes. There's not enough. There's not enough. That's not really the same colour as that, but it's near enough. I don't think I can do that. I think that is far enough away that it doesn't look as bad, but that, you can tell. You can tell. You can tell. Let's see what there is in here. There's not much. There's not much in here. That's what there is. Not much. Do I want to use black? Do I just want to forget this sticker entirely? I feel like that is the same. Yeah, that is more like it. That is a different colour. That is a different colour. What am I putting in for boxes? Do I need to? Is the question I should be asking myself. Do I just need washi? If I did washi, what colour would it be? Choose. This is literally the first one that I'm picking out right now. That is the same colour as that. Do I need that? I think I need that. Okay, I'm just going to do that. This is my washi graveyard. It's where washi goes to die. We're going further down. We're going further down. Down, down, deeper and down. Oh, in other news, in an unrelated note, I think I'm just going to do a voiceover for this. I am losing my freaking mind. In other news, my plantar fasciitis is feeling a little bit better. I was looking at a video the other day, and the guy was talking about how, you know, stretching and all that, I do that, but he was talking about working on your abductors, so your outer thigh, your not your abductors, your glute medius, and I was doing that. When, I'm just going to start from there. When I was doing my rehab for my knee, I was working on clamshells with the band, and then with the, not the band like a musical band, like a stretchy band, and in case that wasn't clear, and he was saying that it can be caused by a weak glute medius. And it was funny because I suddenly realized that it wasn't as bad during the last couple of weeks, and I'd started using the outer thigh machine, the abductor machine, which works your glute medius. And I was like, look at that. Look at that. So I'm hoping the more I stretch and the more I work my glute medius, the more happier my plantar fasciitis gets. The more happier my plantar fasciitis gets. I'm also increasing my protein. Because I feel like I'm getting enough protein, but I'm not recovering as well. So I'm clearly not getting enough right now. Enough. Do I want to put purple or blue in the middle? It's not that. It's either the blue, which I think it's the blue. Or it's this. I think this is going to blend into this too much, and now I've seen it, I like it. It's that one, and it's going to take me forever to cut up. Was it that? Yeah, I think it was that, wasn't it? I was right. Okay, never mind. And then I need to figure out whether I am putting boxes in here. And if I am, where those boxes are coming from. This is turning into a very long video, much longer than I anticipated, but here we are. Yes to these. Yes to these. Yes to these. Oh, hydration. I just think these will be a good thing to add in because it will bring in that blue. Maybe that's what goes here. Oh, see, look at that. That's what goes there. Okay. We're doing something a bit different this week. You don't like that? I apologize. I'm doing something a little bit different because normally I would have put my workout box there. And those are from the mini Wrong Fitness. Those go in there. Okay, yeah. Hydration is done. I would like at some point to maybe start tracking my macros again. But right now, I don't have the bandwidth. I do not have the bandwidth with taking care of Cosmo. And I will update you as soon as I hear anything with Cosmo. I need to figure out another colour. Might be the lighter blue. I've lost the bullets again. I'm just going to rip the page out because that's how I roll. Got a little gap there that's annoying me. Oh, got quotes and stuff at the beginning. You rock. Heck yeah. Oh, I could put one of those stupid flag things in. You know, girl power. Have I got any smaller than that? Pretty sure I've got some smaller than that. All white. Yes. Oh, they've got appointment in them. I just feel like I need to bring some of that blue up, so I'm going to do that. And that was just cut out of one of these. I'm just going to do the same. Not as good as that one, but it's getting there. I think I just need to do a line there. There we go, that's better. That's better. Straight lines always help, don't they? And then I don't have one in this colour. Of course I don't. No, let's just leave it. Don't need another one. I just feel like I need something there in that colour. Don't know. It looked fine once I've got black on there. I still have this gap. Oh, look at those. Those are the exact colour match. Do I want to put some of those in? Oh, I could just put some girls in. Girls on a girl spread. I might actually keep this one out and use that for that. That's a good point. Let's use some girls. Let's use her. We'll cut her off though, because I'm all about cutting the girls' legs off. Okay, she can go there. Her. She's got the same kind of vibe as well. You see what I did there? I cut around her arm, so her arm would be dangling off the edge of the box. Okay, that fills in that space. I think I'm done. I think I'm done. I did not use the socialite book as I had planned to use. I feel a bit weird that I don't have a workout box, but I've got to try new things. I've got to try new things, and that's okay. All right, that is my planner spread for next week for my health and wellness planner. This feels very bare because of this, but we're going to have to let it go. We're going to have to let it go. I'm going to keep the Stronger Together and the fitness books out and try and use as many of the stickers as I can for like arm day, leg day, etc., if I actually get to the gym. All right, I hope you enjoyed this, and it just showed you that you can take one sticker and build a spread from it using a similar color palette. That was the general inspiration for this, for Women's Equality Day. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye! I added another sticker. I added one here. I realized I didn't put my weigh-in sticker. I usually weigh in on a Monday morning, sometimes Tuesday. So I needed a little sticker. So I used one of those little flag things and then turned it on its end and put that in there, which I actually kind of like. So yes, extra one. All right, bye.